As individual believers, we have a responsibility before God and before other people to be good managers of the resources God has entrusted to us. That's also true with our congregation as a whole. Our church has a responsibility to practice healthy accounting practices. And in this video segment, we're going to talk about the need to establish healthy counting and accounting practices in the church. When people give their money to the church needs to communicate the fact that we as a church are practicing good, sound stewardship, counting and accounting practices. So in this segment, I want to talk about the importance of those things. First of all, the importance of good counting practices. A lot of this seems to be what we'd call common sense, but yet, on the other hand, many times is not being practiced in local churches. And that one of those things is having two people count the money when it's received through the offering. And those two people should not be related to each other. Perhaps you'd want to have a team of counters. And then once they count that money, to have a way to record cash that's given, also to record the actual checks that were given, and also to record information that was given through an envelope system. It's important to have those two individuals to take that money to a bank, to a depository at the bank immediately, not to have someone take it to their home and have it overnight and take it on the next day. So just some practical things of that nature related to counting. And then secondly, to put in place some good accounting practices. One thing to think about is to just conduct a yearly church audit. Every year the church should consider having either someone other than the church treasurer in the church or an outside person, perhaps an accountant in the community, just come in and check the books and just make sure that things are being done properly. This is not a way of saying we don't trust our church treasurer. It's really a way of protecting your church treasurer. It's a way of saying that what our church treasurer is doing is legitimate. We want to communicate that to you. We leave nothing uncovered in our church. We want all of our practices to be up front. So good audit each year or every other year is very important. Another thing is to have good reporting practices. And the congregation needs to know periodically what has been given to the church in terms of income and how those gifts have been invested in ministries, how they have been spent. So on a monthly, if not quarterly basis, share financial reports. There's a resource that I would encourage you to secure. This resource is available free of charge to Kentucky Baptist churches. And it's called the Church Financial Guidebook. And this guidebook really is intended to assist the church treasurer, the church financial secretary, or to be a resource for a stewardship team. And really what it does is it deals more in depth with counting and accounting practices in the life of the church. So I'd encourage you to contact us, secure this resource, use it in your ministry of counting and accounting practices. For more information on developing healthy counting and accounting practices in your church, please contact the Church Development Team office at the number on your screen, or visit our website at www.kybaptist.org. Thank you.